Let's get right into it.
When was your last relationship?
Never.
It's been a long time for you?
No,
You haven't had a relationship before?
Welcome to The Button, speed dating show. When the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Get out of here.
If two people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they win an all expenses paid second date.
This is The Button.
Hi. Hi.
I'm Trey.
I'm Courtney.
Oh my
Nice to
fucking
meet you.
Nice to meet you. What do you do for fun?
For fun, I mean, I really like to play basketball. Like, basketball's fun.
This nigga look funny as shit.
Yeah, I sing, I play guitar. What do you do for work?
I'm a property manager.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. What do you do?
I make tortillas all day.
Yeah.
Nice. Sick. Why did you press the button?
I didn't really feel like a relationship vibe.
Right
We
on.
can definitely be friends if you want.
Sure.
Seem cool.
Totally chill.
We don't want that pussy ass friendship as a consolation prize.
Hello, how are you doing?
How's it going?
Hello, I'm Andres.
I'm Courtney.
Pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How you doing?
All the way out of my element, so
Bro, she has no fucking lips. Let me see.
pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How you doing?
Oh my, I could never.
All the way out of my element,
I'm pressing the button off of that.
so, but
Well,
you
what
know.
is your element? Like, what do you normally
Shit, outdoors. I'm a firearms instructor, so that's another thing I like to do.
You're
is
what?
a firearms instructor. Is it a tiebreaker or what happens there?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, perfect. It was a pleasure, Courtney.
It's nice to meet you. Good luck. I hope you find her.
Thanks. Hello. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm Andres.
Jennifer.
Hey, pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How are you feeling?
Nervous.
Okay, me too.
Ask when's the last time you had sex?
What?
A while.
Within the week.
Interesting. Someone you're still talking to, or?
So I'm actively dating.
Rookie mistake. You never give that shit up. You gotta make them work for that. You probably thought it was being bold, but no.
It's one of those things that happen.
Andreas has been married twice.
I have. I don't know if there was any red flags out there. Just yeah. I seen you reach for the button when I said I was married twice, but you don't know none of my history.
Yeah, the married twice. That's a lot.
Yeah. Obviously, you didn't want to give me a chance. So adios, amigos. It was nice meeting you, Jennifer.
You too.
It's a pleasure.
I hate good. Just
How
tell
you
me,
doing?
just tell me,
I'm Andreas.
I'm Candace.
Hey, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Like what?
Candace had a sugar daddy.
Oh shit,
Have a sugar daddy.
you have one.
Have a
Hey,
sugar daddy.
this is judgment-free zone, okay?
Yeah, and he's a really good friend of mine.
Hey, there we go. How
Have you
many?
ever-
I mean,
Done anything like that?
no, I haven't. But the shit's, it is intriguing as fuck. I tell you. I'm sorry. I don't know if I can
It's
say
okay.
Do you have sex with them?
Occasionally. But he's
So how the fuck is he a good friend if you be fucking him? Just lying.
a very attractive man. He also knows that, like, if I was to get a boyfriend, like, he's cut off. Like, I make my own money, so I don't need his money.
Andreas, would you be interested in being another addition to her sugar
Hell
daddy?
no.
I'm not gonna say I would be interested in being a sugar daddy. However, I do not judge. So, hey,
I'm sorry.
no worries.
I think you're cute, but I also think that I wouldn't be able to be, like, intimate with you because I get friend vibes from you. But I appreciate meeting
Yeah,
you.
it's a pleasure. What's your name again?
Candace.
Candace. All right.
Nice to meet you. Good, how are you?
Doing all right.
I'm Candace.
Candace Danny.
Nice to meet you.
Danny didn't have sex until he was 25.
Why?
Very religious. Grew up in church.
Still?
Nah. I mean, if my mom sees this, yes.
25, my nigga?
Yeah. But like, yeah, I grew up churchy, like black Pentecostal.
Okay.
And I was a youth pastor for a little bit. Quit after 3 months though. I said, I can't do this. I want to have sex.
When you lost your virginity, did you use
I just, I'm not even gonna do it.
picking tongues?
Do you know about speaking in tongues?
Yeah, but I have never met anybody that's done it.
Okay, Nah, I can't do that. That's blasphemous. Look, I'm not really in church like that, but I gotta keep my tongue private.
That's okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just had to, I feel like.
But now you have to tell me why.
I feel like there's still women who haven't gone yet.
But Danny, if you're feeling it between Candace,
You know what? Maybe I fucked up. But here we are.
Have fun.
Hey. Good. I'm Danny. What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Kayla?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you too. Where you at in the dating?
I've been like on and off dating for like
Okay.
5 years.
Okay.
I haven't found the right person.
I've been.
What if you could
Oh,
transform
we don't do
the time
that.
it
Nope.
takes to find
Nope. No soliciting on my fucking channel. I will not have it. It's my Mbaku shit. They gonna make me watch 2 fucking ads. Ain't that some shit? I'm sorry. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
When I'm
Single probably like 3 years now.
Okay.
3.5.
yeah, how old are you?
29.
Okay, I'm 26.
I think we both got that. I feel like I should get it because I touched the
it
gym.
was her.
Alright.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you
Nice to
though.
meet you too.
Yeah. Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good, I'm Kayla.
I'm Grady.
Grady?
Yep.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How's
Like
your
a
day going?
fisherman.
Pretty fun.
Yeah.
I'm actually in school right now,
Oh, okay.
doing culinary, so I want to be a cook.
Really? I did culinary school at Seattle Central.
Do you have any pets?
I have a fish tank. I have endlers, shrimp, and snails.
I have a dog.
Cute. What kind of dog?
He's a poodle mix, so we think he's Bashan. His name is Buddy.
Hyper speed. Why did you reject him?
I just like wasn't feeling it.
Are you feeling something with me?
What? Hey, how's it going? Kayla.
Jason wrote down that he likes tattoos.
I have those.
How many?
More than 20.
Where's the most wildest
Alright.
tattoo of yours?
What the
I
fuck
have
is
a
wrong
stick
with
and
his
poke
eyes?
of a strawberry with legs, and she's like thick, like she has a nice
That shit's
booty.
giving me a headache.
Yeah.
I've been told I have no ass.
I mean, I'm down
Oh my
for no
god.
ass also. What do you prefer?
I always tell people I'm a Rubik's Cube kind of dude.
You like them square?
No, I just like any color.
Uh-huh.
What was your last relationship like?
It was long distance, and he ended up having a whole ass girlfriend. Yeah, she hit me up on Instagram.
Coming to you as a woman?
Yeah.
Felt like a tie. Kayla, just because you've been on for a while, are you okay swapping out?
If I must, that's okay. It was nice to meet
Cool
you.
though. You cool. Listen, I ain't gonna lie. You cool. Like,
Yeah,
you know.
we'd be friends. I feel like everyone who I saw is like.
Look at his fucking posture. Does that shit.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright. When was your last relationship?
Never.
Been a long time for you?
No,
you
I've
haven't
never-
had a relationship before? You got lucky.
She beat ya.
Bye. Thanks, this is brutal. Hi there. I'm Raven, nice to meet you.
Trey, nice to meet you.
I like your
She
shirt.
lost like 40
What's
minutes.
your astrology sign? I feel like you know.
I am a Libra.
Really? Oh,
Libra
Libras are so
sun.
nice. I'm a Cancer.
Oh, okay.
Fun fact about Trey, he has performed at Carnegie Hall 2 times.
I have performed.
Really?
Yeah.
That's actually sick.
I was in a professional choir for like 3 years.
Like singing choir or like orchestra?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That
Singing
hunts
choir.
back.
I was in like middle school. I was with a bunch
Wait,
of like
can you
high
sing?
schoolers. Like right now.
Yeah. I'm taking my hands off just so you know.
I mean, I've got this like Bee Gees song stuck in my head, but
Okay, sing it.
I can. I'm not no vision. I'm the man who loves you inside and out,
Real.
backwards and forwards with my heart hanging out.
Woo!
You ate that.
Would you two consider a second date with each other?
I think
That's what I was expecting you to say.
Yo, the other thing
One
is.
more woman who hasn't gone. Do you want him to meet her?
I do want him to meet her. I think
Go
she's
grab
good.
her. Go grab her.
Okay, let me go get her.
All right.
All right.
Hey,
This has
sick.
been lovely.
Hey, thank you very much. I
She gonna go
appreciate
back
it.
there and talk shit.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
Good, I'm good.
I'm Trey.
Nice to meet you. I'm Taya.
Nice to meet you.
Your glasses are super cute.
Thank you.
Trey just sang her his last name.
Yeah, she really just had me sing.
Sang?
Yes,
Oh,
I
fun.
sing.
He's performed at Carnegie Hall.
Wow.
Professional choir for a little bit.
Oh, I love choir. I was in a cappella group.
Oh, me
Like
too.
middle school.
Yeah, in high school I was in acapella
Yeah.
for like the whole time.
You both are 23.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm turning 24 in like 2 weeks.
Are you ready? Like,
I mean-
what are you gonna do?
Yeah, just hang out. Like my friends just turned 24 like
Are
yesterday.
you all partied out? No, right?
I mean, we're very mild. We just like play cards and listen to records and.
So you're gonna have
hang
a
out.
quiet rager.
Right. You know, a little vermouth. You know,
I
a
suck
little,
at card games, so I wouldn't
I
hang.
can always teach it. My friends are a very inviting bunch.
Yeah.
Are you two feeling this?
I mean, I'd go on another
It's a
date.
vibe.
Yeah. Would you want to go on another date with me?
Yeah, I feel like we vibe.
Sure.
I'm going to line up one more time. If you don't click, we'll pay for a date.
Right on.
I guarantee he does something
His
corny.
eyes.
Yeah. Oh my god, no. Not that.
Congratulations, you have won the button.
At least he won. Shit.
Go.